Hi guys, I'm so happy to announce that we have hit 100 subscribers. I just want to thank every single one of you for your support and love. Thank you so much. Today, I'm making a sunflower symmetry vase. First, place all the flowers on the foam. I'm using some sunflowers and dahlias as main flowers. I also add some white lilies as well. Place all the filler flowers and maple stems on the foam. I have some mini daisy stems. I'm also using fall artificial leaf and berry spray for accent. Place all the green and color maple leaves on empty spots. I'm using mini green maple leaf bush and 4 maple leaf bush as well. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to my channel and leave a like on this video.